Welcome to a Just Digital Signage training video for Digital Price Board. We will look at how to update a price on a particular board and how to update a price across multiple boards. To update a price on a single board, click on the board you would like to update. Locate the product you want to update and edit the price settings. Once you have finished, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Deploy. To update a product across multiple boards, go to the Deployments page. Select the product you want to update and enter in the prices you would like to update the product to. Click the Next button, and on step 2, we can choose which boards will update the price by entering in some tags. We can choose to update boards that have any of the entered tags or boards that have all the entered tags. Press Done when you are finished and the product will update.